Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find General Settings. Then let's scroll down and localize this backup section. And we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section where we can add our account. So let's simply tap on Next. And here, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So just let me do it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here we have to choose who's going to use this device. So in my case, an adult or a teenager. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. And then tap on Next. You have to be patient during this whole process because, as you can see, it might take a while. All right, so here we have to enter our password, and let me do this kind of out of the screen. Just give me a second. All right, I'm back, and the password was entered, so we can tap on Next. Right here we have to, we can tap on Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and I highly recommend to do that, and then tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's completely up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. And as you can see, everything is marked in green, which means that we just successfully added our backup account. Moreover, you can tap on other device data or photos, and here you will transfer the section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now, right here, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.